Yeah, good evening, sir. In the last videos, we are discussing some programs, right? Some programs, how to develop algorithms for this, how you have go for implementation of these programs. So today also we are going to see some programs and their implementation in different versions. Sir, maybe from tomorrow you can expect time and space complexities. Sir, notations what we have like omega notation, theta notation, big O notation. Okay, sir, worst case, best case, average case, all these things maybe you can expect tomorrow. So another this week complete I'm going to talk about that space complexity, time complexity, how you can able to calculate for the algorithms. So next week we are going to start a data structure. There the first topic arrays data structure. I'm take, sir, in that array how to perform various operations like sorting, searching. Okay, so next and after that inserting a new element, deleting an element from the array. Okay, next and after that updating the element, searching for the element. All these operations we will perform on arrays. Maximum I will take 2 weeks time to talk only about arrays. That many programs are there. So first we will explain the algorithm and step by step process we are going to discuss with respect to which programming language, Java. Okay, right. Sir, let us go for continuation. Yesterday, we have seen one algorithm design a program to find sum of n natural numbers. We have to write a program to find sum of n natural numbers. What is the algorithm for that? I think yesterday we have developed. First, we have to read n value from the user. We have to read n value from the user, and we need to apply the logic to find sum of n natural numbers. What is the first logic? We have to write loop, sir. Sir, how to write loop? Initially, I will take sum is equal to 0. Sir, for I is equal to 1 or I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, we are going to add sum is equal to sum plus I. That's all. Sir, initially sum is equal to 0. Suppose if you are giving the value of n is equal to 4, this loop is going to execute how many times, sir? I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, and I is equal to 4. What is this condition? I less than or equal to n. That means 4 less than or equal to 4. Sir, once if the value of I got 5, 5 less than or equal to condition is false. That's why it will execute up to this one. Now, what we are doing, sum of n natural numbers. We have to add all these values. Sir, how you can add? Sum is equal to sum plus I. Sir, sum is equal to previous sum value is initially 0. 0 plus 0 will become 0. 0 plus 1 will become 1. Sir, 1 plus 2 will become 3. Sir, 3 plus 3 will become 6. 6 plus 4 will become 10. That's all. Sir, 10 is the sum. Is it correct? N into n plus 1 by 2, right? Sir, n into 4 into 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Sir, 2 2s are 5 into 2, 10. Sir, is it 5 is not included? Oh, somewhere 4 into 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Sir, 2 2s are 10 we are getting. What is the problem here? Okay, we will check it later. Don't worry. Yeah, yeah. I is equal to 1. We have to start from 1. Yeah, yeah. Right. Sir, like this we have. Okay, like this we have. Sir, next what we need to do in the recursion also we can solve, sir. What is a recursion mechanism? Sir, very simple. First we have to write the function like integer, sir, sum of integer n. Okay, later I will talk about this recursion, but just as of now, remember. Sir, if the value of n is equal to 0, then I want to stop iterating. Else, sir, I want to return, sir, n into, sir, sum of n minus 1. That's all. This is the recursive function. How you can able to write. Don't worry, at the time of implementation, I will explain all these concepts by taking the example. So if you want to find out sum of n natural numbers, okay, sum of n natural numbers, this is nothing but the formula, I mean logic 1, what we have to find out sum of n natural numbers by using looping statement. Sir, what is the next one? By using a recursion, how you can able to do? Sir, what is the next one? By using mathematical formula, how you can able to do? Sir, this is nothing but logic for you people. Sir, can you please confirm if this logic is clear? I will implement this program in all the, I mean, all these versions I will implement in Java. Can you please confirm is the concept is clear for you people? Right, sir. Sir, I will go with sum plus. Yeah, correct. Sum plus sum of n minus. Correct. I thought that it was a recursion. Yeah. Now listen carefully. Sir, we are reading the value of n. We are reading the value of n. And I want to calculate, sir, sum of n natural numbers version 1, version 1, version 2. Okay, version 2, version 3. Three versions I am going to implement. Sir, this is the function name. Sir, static integer. This is the function name which will receive integer n. How you can able to develop? What is the first one? The first one I told, sir, by using for loop. Sir, I am going to declare sum is equal to initially 0. For integer I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Sir, what we have to take? Sum is equal to sum plus I. Then finally, we have to return the value of sum. That's all. This is the loop. Sir, now I want to implement by using recursion concept. Sir, how to implement by using recursion? It will become version. Very simple, by using recursion. So here all this cinema is not required. Just we need to check one condition. Sir, if n is equal to 0, then I want to return 1. Else otherwise, sir, return n plus, sir, sum of n natural numbers in version 2, n minus 1. Sir, what is the third approach we have? What is the third approach we have? Sir, direct mathematical formula you can write. Okay. So what is a mathematical formula? Sir, math formula. So what is a math formula? Directly written n into, sir, n plus 1 by 2. Like this we can take. Okay, n into n plus 1 by 2. Better to put brackets. Yeah, yeah. Don't worry, I will do that. Yeah. Sir, like this total, how many versions we have? 3 versions are there. Sir, I will take all these 3 versions. First, I will execute the code. Then I will explain one by one. Okay. So if we want to run the program, what we have to do? We need to open the command prompt. CD backspace, CD Prakash classes. Sir, Java C test.java I'm taking. Sir, is the code compiled? Yes. Java space test I'm taking. Sir, enter n value. I'm giving 5. Sir, all the outputs are same or not? Yes. Sir, if 5 is given, how these values got generated? Let me take example from the reverse. Sir, last version I am talking. In this case, I have given n is equal to 5. Sir, what is the formula? N into n plus 1. Sir, by 2. Sir, n into 5 into 5 plus 1, 6 by 2. Sir, 2 3s are 6, 5 into 3, sir, will become 15. That is the answer. Right, perfect. Sir, what about in this implementation? What is this one? Recursion. Sir, whenever we are talking about recursion, remember that internally they are going to maintain one stack to store the results. In detail, when I am discussing about recursion, I will provide. Sir, here 5 is the input. Is it equal to 0? No. then it won't execute this task. Sir, what will happen? Sir, it is going to call n plus, that is, what is the value of n? 5. Sir, 5 plus sum of, okay, 5 plus, sir, again it will call this function by passing, sir, 5 minus 1, which is nothing but 4. Sir, 5 will be stored in the stack. Then what we are going to talk, sir, sum of, again, for this program, 4 will be supplied as the input. Is it equal to 0? No. Then return 4 plus sum of, sir, 4 minus 1, which is nothing but 3. Again for 3 it will call recursive. Sir, is it equal to 0? No. 3 plus, that 3 will be pushed into the stack. Then 3 minus 1, which is nothing but, sir, is it equal to 0? No. 2 plus, we have to take, sir, 2 plus sum of 2 minus 1, that means 1. Sir, is it equal to 0? No. Sir, 1 plus, again it will be called for 0. 0 will be passed as input. Sir, if input is 0, we are going to stop by returning 0. So 0 will be pushed into the stack. It will stop executing. Okay, that is called as a recursion. Recursion means what? Calling a function by itself. Sir, now at last, what is the operator we are using here? Plus, right? So pop every element from the stack and perform this addition operation. Sir, first 0 plus 1, which is nothing but 1. Sir, pop this 1 plus 2, which will become 3. Pop this 3 plus 3, 6. Pop this. Sir, 6 plus 4, 10. Pop this 10 plus 5, 15. Like this we are getting. Sir, I think how we can able to implement this program by using a recursion and by using this mathematical formula, I think it is very clear for people. Now, let's go for loop, sir. How it is going to be executed? Same, let me take n is equal to 5. Sir, initially, what is the value of sum? 0. Sir, how many times the loop is going to run? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to this, it is going to take. Sir, 0 plus 1, which will become 1. 1 plus 2, which will become 3. 3 plus 3, which will become 6. 6 plus 4, which will become 10. 10 plus 5, which will become 15. That's all. Like this loop is going to drop these numbers one by one, and that will be added into sum, and the result will be stored in the sum itself. Finally, after coming out from this loop, just we are trying to print the value of sum, which is going to print our required result. Sir, I think you got clarity about this program implementation in Java, how we can able to use in these three versions. Okay, first version using loop, second version using recursion, third version using math formula. Can you please confirm? Do you have any doubts up to this? Sir, in recursion, why we are not taking n is equal to 1, then return 1? Yes, no problem. You can take Akshay. Not Akshay. Abhay Kumar, we can take. Anand, please don't worry. At the time of recursion, I will go that concept again and again. There you will get the clarity. Okay. Sir, if you are unable to understand the problem one or two times, no worries. Just you can skip that. So if you ask if this concept is again, I'm going to explain means I will skip. Otherwise, I will explain. In recursion, whether n value is stored in the stack or result. Sir, that n value itself is the result, right? N plus. That means that result will be stored. But internally, that evaluation is a different process. I will explain later in the stack. Sindhu. Because the evaluation of stack concept is there I will talk. So we can check the speed of each implementation. Yes, why can't? Theoretically also we can calculate, practically also we can calculate. Theoretically means by using time and space complexity. Practically, as of now, we don't have any approach, so you have to write code for that also, for calculating the time. Otherwise, you can copy paste this code in online compilers and you can execute. There it will indicate how much memory it is occupied and how much time it has taken. Yeah, Vishal. Sir, in recursion solution, once n is equal to 0, then it will return 0. It will come out from that. That's the concept here. So n is equal to 0 means return 0. It will come out from this function. But here what we are doing, we are returning n. That n will be stored in the stack. But again we are calling a function. See, that means it is coming out from this function. Again it is starting invoking this one with new n value. Clear? That n values will be stored in the stack. Yeah, Abhay, we are not going to discuss the time and space complexities for every program what we are going to discuss in DSA. Okay, so time and space complexities separately I will take 1 or 2 days class. There I will explain how you can able to calculate for space and time complexities for the given algorithm. Okay, so try to apply that concept for every algorithm what we are going to discuss. Okay, for every algorithm, if I take all these things, time may not be sufficient. Okay, I'm giving the algorithms, that's why very clearly. Just you can calculate. Right. Sir, let's go for the next one. What we have next problem. Sum of n natural numbers completed. Now we have to find out the maximum of 3 numbers. Okay. Sir, what is the problem statement? Sir, write a implement a program. Implement a program to read three numbers from the user and calculate, okay, maximum of 3 numbers. Sir, how you can able to do this job? Let me implement this program now. Sir, first of all, we need to write algorithm for this. What is algorithm? What is the first step? Sir, first step, we have to read a comma b and c values from user. Sir, after this, sir, apply the logic. Apply the logic. Sir, in the logic, sir, I'm going to take 2 logics. What is the logic one? By using manual method. Manual method. What is the second logic, sir? Second logic is nothing but by using, sir, max function. By using max method in math class. Okay, sir, how you can able to do by using your own, by using the manual method? Sir, you can use conditional operator. We have to take the condition true block, false block. Sir, what is the condition here? I'm going to take the condition as a greater than. Sir, and we need to compare a with c also. So I'm taking the value of a and I'm comparing this a salary with the b person's salary and c person's salary. Suppose if a person salary is greater than b person salary and c person salary, sir, a person is the withdrawing highest salary. Suppose A person salary is 1,000 rupees, B person salary is 2,000, C person salary is 500. Sir, now A is big when compared with C, but A is not big when compared with B. Then immediately it will move to false. Sir, in the false case, we need to write again a condition. Sir, what is that condition? B greater than C. If true, B is the biggest number, otherwise C. Sir, this is the manual implementation. What we can go for this. Then, sir, what about math function max? Sir, math class is having max function, but it will take only 2 numbers. That is nothing but number 1 and number 2. That's all. Sir, how you can calculate for 3 numbers? Array, first try to take math dot max of among this number 1 and number 2. Try to find out maximum value. Sir, whether it may be number 1 or number 2, we will get. Then, sir, try to apply on number 3. So whatever maximum value we are getting from number 1 and number 2, that I am going to compare with number 3. So final result you get. That's all. Sir, finally what we have to do? We need to print the result. That's all. Sir, I hope the logic, how we are going to implement for this program, this algorithm is very clear for people, I think so. Please confirm, do you have any doubts up to this, friends? second logic is nothing here. Have a look once. In the second logic, sir, consider I am passing first number 1, second number 2, third number 3. So first I am going to find out maximum of two numbers, 1 and 2. What is the maximum value? It will return 2. Then I will bring third number, and from this I want to find out maximum, which will become 3. Suppose if 1, 3, 2 is there, first I will find out maximum among these two. Then I will take the next number for comparison. Now we will get 3. So first we will apply this logic for two numbers. Whatever result you are getting, I am considering that as a maximum. And we have one more number is there, right? We are going to apply with that. Suppose if you have four numbers, what will happen? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have, sir, first try to apply math.max for first two numbers. You will get some x value. Try to apply math.max for remaining numbers. You will get y value. Now apply math.max for this. You will get the biggest. Clear? Without brackets for two numbers. Yeah, two numbers means brackets is not required. Directly we can take. Same. Already, I think I have explained this. Okay. Yeah. So just have a look once. I am explaining the first logic. Suppose if A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3. Sir, what is the first one? I am comparing A with B and C. What is the value of A? 1. Sir, is 1 is greater than 2? Condition is false. Sir, if condition is false, is it required to check the next condition? What is the problem? Because AND operator, if both are true, then only result is true. Otherwise, your result will become false. Next, sir, this condition won't be evaluated, hence A won't be printed. Now, biggest will be among B and C. Sir, B is greater than C. Is the condition is true or false? The condition is false. That means which one will be printed? C, which is nothing but 3. Sir, biggest is nothing but 3. Like this we have. So I think the concept is very clear for you, right? The person who asked this, right? Let me go for implementation, sir. Okay, let me go for implementation. I'm going to implement the program in Java. Have a look once. So here enter A value. We have to read first A value. Sir, enter B value. Enter C value. Sir, we have to read A value first. After that B value. After that C value. Like this we are reading. Next, sir, demo dot max 1 I am taking. Sir, max 2 I am taking. Sir, max 1 is going to take these three inputs. Max 2 is going to take these three inputs. Sir, what is that max function? We need to define integer max 1, which will take integer A, integer B, integer C. Sir, by using logical operator, return, sir, A greater than B and A greater than C. If it is true, A is the biggest. Otherwise, B greater than C. If it is true, B. Otherwise, C. That's all right. Very simple. Vimal, everything will work, Vimal. Why you have doubt? A is equal to 4, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 2. Sir, written A greater than B. Sir, 4 greater than 1. Condition is true or false? Condition is true. A greater than C. Sir, 4 greater than 2. Condition is true. Then A will be printed. What is the value of A? 4. 4 is the biggest. Clear? Right. Sir, you can practice simultaneously from your side. Max 2. So which is taking integer A, integer B, and integer C. Sir, now directly we can return by using libraries. Math dot sir max of. First try to find out math dot max of A comma B. Then compare with C. Sir, now you are going to get your final result. Sir, let me run this program. Really, is it going to run? Is it going to execute? Let me check. Sir, 1 minute. Demo dot anywhere. Yeah, these are not a static. Very good. So declare these as a static, then without object we can call. Yeah, thank you, Praveen. Now the code executed Java space test. Enter a value. Sir, I am giving 1, 2, 3. 3 is the maximum. Sir, enter a value. 1, 2 minus 3. 2 is the maximum. Sir, 1 minus 2 minus 3. 1 is the maximum. Okay, like this we are getting. Sir, hope this algorithm and how you can able to solve this program, I think it is very clear for you people. Do you have any doubts up to this? Yeah, we can do like that also. Siri, we can also do like that. But the problem is nothing but unnecessary one extra temporary variable storage will be there, right? That is the problem. No, we are not going to talk about these problems again and again. Sir, I have collected, I have given 10 algorithms just to explain how to prepare algorithm, how you can bring that algorithm into the code. That's all. Okay, it is a just layman terminologies. So we covered almost 6 algorithms till now. Sir, maybe tomorrow I am going to continue factorial, prime number, Fibonacci series. So with that algorithms, basic concepts I will finish. Then I will go with classification of data structures, characteristics of algorithm, then how to calculate, how to measure this time and space complexities. Okay, so what are the different notations we have? Okay, after that I will go with data structures. Even we are going to discuss some algorithms at the end, like greedy algorithms. Okay, or divide and conquer algorithms like that. Okay, yeah, this is the demo class. Yes, right.